Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to start a new series named the Lightning Web Component Basics. In this series, we are going to learn the basics of a Lightning Web Component, or we call as a LWC. So let's start with the introduction to the Web Component. So first we discuss about the content of that part, that what we are going to discuss in this. So firstly we going to see why we are going to use the Lightning Web Component. In a second scenario we talk about the benefit of using Lightning Web Component. Then we can talk about the Lightning Web Component programming model, and after that we can look into that comparison of our component, or we call as the Lightning component and the Lightning Web Component. Then we talk about the coexistence and interoperability of a Aura component and Lightning Wave component, that how we can work together with both Aura component and component. So why the Lightning Web component? So modern browsers are based on web standards. Evolving standards are constantly improving what browser can present to a user. We want you to able to take advantage of these innovation to our Salesforce development also. So Lightning Web Component uses a core web standard and provide only what necessary to perform well in browser supported by a Salesforce. Because it's on built on a code that run natively in a browser, Lightning Web Component is lightweighted and deliver exceptional performance. Most of the code you write is standard JavaScript and HTML. And also, if you going to use a Lightning Web Component, it will easier to find a solution on a web, find a developer with a necessary skill, and use other developers' experience, like in a different platform of a React JS or native JS. So, and you can develop your component as fast as compared to Aura component, and you can utilize the full encapsulation, so component are more versatile. And it's not like web component are new. In fact, browser have creating this for a year. For example, you can see select video input and other tag that serve as more than a container. These elements are actually the equivalent of a web component. Our goal is to just bring that integration to a Salesforce environment. So let's talk about the next scenario, benefit of Lightning Web Component. The beauty of adhering to a web standard is simplicity. You don't need to ramp up a quirk of a particular framework. You simply create a component using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Lightning Web Component creation is a 1, 2, or 3 step. I'm not kidding. It's really simple. You create one first JavaScript file, then you can create an HTML file, and optionally, if you want, you can create a CSS file. So HTML provides the structure for your component, JavaScript defines the core business logic and event handling, CSS provides the look, feel, and animation for your component. Those are the essential piece for your component. Here is a simple Lightning Web component that display hello world in an input field. You can see in the HTML part we just provide one template tag and input tag where pass the value as a message, and the template tag is the fundamental building block of a component in Lightning Web component. It allows you to store the piece of HTML. In the JavaScript, you see that we have a import Lightning element from LWC. What this line does, this line import all the libraries of LWC, so we can leverage that functionality in our component. And after that, it defined a class with the same name as a file and pass the message as a hello world. So we get into the import statement and the class declaration detail later. And in the CSS file, you can see if for the input, we pass the color to be blue. At the minimum, all you need is a HTML file and JavaScript file with the same name in the same folder. You deploy those to an org with some metadata, you are good to go. Salesforce compile your files and take care of the boilerplate component construction for you automatically. Other benefit, what we can say, we can utilize this part in the Scratch org. If you don't know what is Scratch org is, let me tell you. Scratch org are the disposable Salesforce org to support the development and testing. Let's go to the next topic. Next topic is the Lightning Web Component Programming Model. So Lightning Web Component is a Salesforce implementation of the new breed of a lightweight framework built on a web standard. It leverages the custom element, templates, shadow DOM, decorator, modules, and other new language construction available in E, CMA script, and beyond. So Lightning Web Component provides a layer of a specialized Salesforce on the top of the core stack. The base Lightning element, which consists of over 70 UI component all built as a custom element. The Lightning Data Service, which provides a declarative access to Salesforce data and metadata, caching and data synchronization. The User Interface API, the underlying service that make base element and the Lightning Data Service metadata aware and leading to a substantial productivity gains. In the next one, let's compare between the Lightning Web Component and Aura Component. So, Lightning developer have combined the programming with the Salesforce metadata and service. It allows them to leverage a unpredictable productivity. Here are some benefit of using a Lightning Web Component over the Aura Component. Though they can coexist and to offer a better programming practice, but let's see some comparison between the uh, Lightning component and Aura component. So performance hikes. So since Lightning Web component is built on the top of the web component model and no added abstraction is used, the performance of the page and apps are increased hugely. Next one is the learning is easy. Lightning Web component developer need to learn one skill, that is Lightning Web component framework only. They do not need to learn any other framework or JavaScript separately like they had to do in a Aura programming model. Decrease proprietary and increase standards. As we previously mentioned, the LWC framework uses more standards than the proprietary component, so there is more customization with the LWC than that of a Aura component. Use of a reusable service component. Lightning Web component are customizable, reusable, scalable that may or may not have UI. These services component can be used anywhere in the application. It helps the code to optimize and clean. Enhance security and browser compatibility. Lightning Web Component has built-in security feature. Also, it has a limited event scope and more CSS script DOM isolation that offer a better security and browser compatibility of the app. Coexistence and interoperability of a Aura component and Lightning Web component. With the addition of a Lightning Web component, there are two ways we can create Lightning component. One is the Aura component, another is the Lightning Web component. Aura component leverage its own component model, templates and modular development programming. Lightning Web component built on the top of the web standard breakthrough of the last 5 years web component custom element and shadow element. Aura component and Lightning Web component can coexist and interoperate and they share the same high level scenarios. Aura component and Lightning Web component can coexist on the same page. Aura component can include a Lightning Web component. Aura component and Lightning Web component share the base component. Base Lightning component were already implemented as a Lightning Web component. Aura component and Lightning Web component share the same underlying services, Lightning data service and user interface, etc. So if you are already developing a Lightning component with the Aura component model, you can continue to do so. Your Aura component will continue to work as before. You can build a new component with the Aura component or Lightning Web component. Your Aura and Lightning Web component can coexist and interoperate. Over the time, you can consider migrating your Aura component to Lightning Web component, starting with the component that would benefit the most of the performance benefit of a Lightning Web component. If you are new to the developing on a Lightning, or if you are starting a new project, we recommend you to use a Lightning Web component programming model as it is fast and also highly secure. Thanks for watching this part, and for more you can like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye everyone.